This is a song about soft drinks and nothing else. Get your mind out of the gutter.
Hey guys, are your lips dry? Any desiccated ladies try to get by? Well, the best way for the girls and the boys to come together and enjoy a little moisture. So you're waiting on the mate that's 1 in a million. In combination ain't the way that you envision. You say you're strange, but baby, shed your inhibitions and let your taste dip into something aluminium. Elegant and eloquent and so effervescent. Subtle bubbles in my stubble feeling ever so pleasant. Never thought I'd find a girl with such a delicate essence. For you with the meal deal, the delicatessen. So you're sitting in the fridge with a twinkle. Are you a multi-pack can or are you single? A little sipping in his breath isn't simple. I'm just gonna get my finger in your ring pull. So slot your pennies in the vending machine out loud and take a few little things that you've been dreaming of. If you curse with the thirst of a lonely man, you can get your juices flowing with some only cans. Every glamorous can has a heart to fill, so I hope that you can handle 330 mil. Get lost in the froth as the foam expands. Get your loving while you're gliding out some only cans. Now you've seen other Payside galleries, but none of those girls taste like raspberries. So if you think we're just some obscene cannery, all our cans are over 18 calories. So give a spray for some flirtatious behavior. That come here, the hiss is what you came for. We've been brewing up a plethora of flavors. Say we're crude, you can never say we're tasteless. So if you drink it straight away the mixer, bring a Mr. or a Mrs. home for dinner. Everybody's got a different fizzle in that spritzer. What's the matter, what ingredients are on your sticker? I haven't met you all, but it's contextual. You're all impeccable, if it's consensual. If you're aced in the pan flexible. End of the day when you're all sexual. So slide your pennies in the vending machine out loud and take that fizzy little mix that you've been dreaming of. If you curse with the thirst of a lonely man, you can get your juices flowing with some only cans. Every glamorous can has a heart to fill, so I hope that you can handle 330 mil. We can semi-guarantee that we won't be banned. Get your loving while you're glugging on some only cans. Maybe fizzy, but I'll spit a little candor. Sure it's sticky, but we'll lick the spillage after. There's only one aperitif can for Landras. Snap it with the candy, with your candy camera. Can, yes it can. All the cans are can, all kind of candy Canada. Manly cans to camera, ain't the news. Grabbing noodles, ain't canoodling with cans to can food. Mexican cans to Cancun. Scandalously scantily clad in the scanties and the canting at you. Camping with the Scandinavian can, and there a canopy alone in the canyon with your can boo. Cherry cannoli with Italian cans on the canal before a candlelit dance. The cans are off the Canterbury for a candy romance. You better cancel your plans, this Cansanova can't handle the demand. The Canterbury and Canoritas and Cantinas with fans on the Canary Islands. Strip can to tell you down to your pants on your Campanian pass over your hand. And these Cantonese cheeses are your greediest stands. So go over to Cambodia, you can let the local flavor blow over you. Getting down with the hard brown chromium. Love has never been so low sodium. Can looking like a snack, that's a kind of pay. Can painting like a rack, that's a candy day. Can sweet on your tongue, that's a candy cane. Can rockin' them guns, that's a cannon name. Feel that can in your heart, that's a cannula. Can't sin disregard, that's a canister. Inquisitive can, that's a canvasser. Insensitive can stand kangaroo. So slot your pennies in the vending machine out loud and take a fizzy little mix that you've been dreaming of. If you curse with the thirst of a lonely man, you can get your juices flowing with some only cans. Every glamorous can has a heart to fill, so I hope that you can handle 330 mil. Hey, don't touch, just hold the can. Get your loving while you're glugging on some only cans. So download Only Cans, the app for soda lovers. It's got very high ratings. No, sorry, it's very hydrating. My mistake.